I'm back. This is Corinne, your licensed real estate salesperson. And today's vlog, we will be featuring Coral Bay Suites of A. Brown Company Incorporated, located at Coral Resort Estates, Initaw, Misamis Oriental. Coral Bay Suites will rise, by which it will be developed around 2 to 4 years from now. So it's a condominium along the bay. So this is the first ever condominium project here in Initaw, Misamis Oriental. This is very ideal for investment, for retirement, for all the OFWs out there. Nga, pag uli ninyo, you want to have a beautiful nga, ocean view, makasimot mo sa ocean air. So yun, this is the best property to invest. No? Invest na dari sa Coral Bay Suites of Coral Resort Estates. Okay? So they have studio unit and 1 BR condominium. So lahi-lahi din yung floor plan when of the 1-bedroom condo. So the 1-bedroom, it has a balcony, depende lang din if bigger balcony. They also have balcony with swimming pool. So not first gyapon niya siya. This is the first ever condominium here in Mindanao that has its own swimming pool within the condo. Amazing kaayo, di ba? So bongga-bongga. Nice siya for investment. So dari na ta sa Coral Bay Suites. As for the amenities, of course, it's a high-end condominium, so it has complete amenities. It has a huge swimming pool. It has a fitness gym, clubhouse, playground, parks and playground, and of course, 24-hour security. So very ideal siya sa kuan lang siya pang bakasyonan, no? Secured, rest assured, secured in your unit. So for free site viewing here at Coral Bay, you can contact me on this number. And I also have my email address, my Facebook page link in the description box below. So thank you everyone for watching. When's the best time to invest? It's now. And of course, don't forget to click subscribe.